we are actually MC Boschme is a German company who are leaders in construction chemicals. They are basically into the admixtures of the concrete admixtures and waterproofing chemicals and tile adhesives and all repairs and rehabilitation materials into the structural repairs of dams, tunnels, bridges, and they have a partnership in Hyderabad with Vasant Technocrats Private Limited, who do execution purpose and will be trained in Germany, and they are certified by government of Germany to do execute all the works, including major works of a bridge rehabilitation, protective coatings, then epoxies and polyurethane coatings. In Hyderabad, we have done 6 lakh square meters of a construction chemicals coatings to the main bridges like a PV Narasimha Rao Express Highway, which is 11 kilometer, which we are protecting those structures by exclusive polyurethane coatings. And right across this exhibition also there is a high-tech city flyover is there, which we have coated it with polyurethane coatings, and also the polymer coating, acrylic based polymer coatings, which will protect the structures and strengthen the structures, and also it will give a long life to the structures. Apart from that, we are also having construction chemicals for tilings, tile adhesives, admixtures, polycarboxylic acid, for going into a new generation construction chemicals. These are the main things, and we are associated with a lot of applicators who are trained in various government bodies and training institutions and certified by them. This is a good platform for us. Build for is a good exhibition, is a good platform. We are expecting good people who are interested in this and who utilize our services, and if they need any technical discussions, anything, they can please come and do it, and it's a good platform. As of now, they have provided very good facilities and we are very comfortable, and it's excellent. From our side also, we have also canvassed a lot for a public response, and right now, as on now, I see it a few people all the way from Kerala and all the way from Vijayawada and various other districts. External people have come, which means that their coverage is very good, and we are expecting more turnover in another couple of days' time. No, we have been participating it quite a few times. We have participated in other exhibitions also, in both international and national level. So this is a good platform, in fact. We would like to.